Do you know that your student visa can be the first step to becoming a permanent resident abroad? In this video, I will reveal the exact strategies international students use to turn a student visa into long-time residency or even citizenship. So stick around till the end of this video. Welcome to Explore Abroad, where we show you how to travel smart and settle smart. Today we are uncovering the hidden path from student to permanent, a journey many international students take every year to build a future abroad. Whether you are applying in this 2025 or you are already studying, this will give you a guide or a roadmap to settle or to stay long term in any country. Number one on the list today is choose the right country. Some countries welcome international graduates to stay. Best choices in this 2025 are Canada, Australia, Germany, Ireland, New Zealand. These countries offer postgraduate work visas, PGWPs, and permanent residency pathways. Number two, apply for a post-study work permit. After graduation, try to apply for a work visa that lets you to stay and work. For example, in Canada, they have PGWP, which allows you to stay for up to 3 years. Australia, temporary graduate visa, and Germany, 18-month job seeker visa. These allow you to stay and gain local work experience, which is key to permanent residency. And number three, work in high demand sectors. Try to focus on high demand jobs like healthcare, technology, engineering, trades, and agriculture. This will increase your chances of qualifying for permanent residency fast. Let me also remind you that employers may sponsor you for work-based residency programs. This brings us to number four. Number four is apply for a permanent residency. Once you've met the requirements, like you've gotten a job and you've had a work experience and you've learned some basic languages or the local language of that particular country, you can apply for permanent residence. Each country has its specific pathways. For Canada, they have express entry or PNP. Australia, skilled immigration. Germany, settlement permit, and Ireland, stamp 4 permission. Keep your documents updated and apply as early as you are eligible. And finally, number 5, don't forget language and legal requirements. Try to take language tests like IELT, CELPIP, and the rest of it if required. Pay your taxes and avoid legal issues because your conduct affects your eligibility. Some countries require you to show integration like language and community involvement. Your student visa isn't just a temporary ticket. It can be your launchpad to a new life abroad. So study smart, work smart, and follow these steps to make your stay permanent in any country. Which country are you planning to study in? Drop it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone chasing the same dream. I'll see you in the next video.